In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check email logs in Salesforce. This process is really helpful for keeping track of communication, verifying email delivery, or investigating issues with sent emails. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. To start, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Here, you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on this icon, which serves as your gateway to the advanced setup area. Setup is a key feature for accessing various administrative tools, and it's where we need to go to check the email logs. Once in the setup area, you'll see a quick find box. This is a powerful tool that helps you quickly locate different settings and features in Salesforce. All you need to do is type email log files into this box. By doing so, you'll be directed straight to the email logging options without having to scroll through countless menus. Now that you've located the email log files section, click on it. This will bring you to the area where you can manage and request email logs. It's the main hub where all email logging activities take place. Next, you'll see an option to request an email log. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to specify a few details. It's crucial to specify the correct date and time range for the email logs you want to check. This precision is key in narrowing down the results to what is most pertinent to your needs. Additionally, there's an option to fine-tune your log retrieval by adding filters based on specific email addresses or domains. This is particularly handy if you're trying to find communication related to certain contacts or organizations. Once you've set the parameters to suit your needs, go ahead and click on Submit Request. This action instructs Salesforce to gather the email logs for you. After submitting your request, Salesforce will process it and then send the log file directly to your email address. The file will arrive as a zip archive, ensuring that the data is compressed and secure. It's a straightforward way to receive information conveniently. In addition to receiving the zip archive in your email, you can also access the logs directly within Salesforce. After your request has been processed, navigate back to the email logs section. Here, you'll find all the requested email logs ready for review. This offers an easy way to cross-reference or examine the details as you need. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your email logs in Salesforce, which is a great way to keep your communication in check and ensure everything is running smoothly. Remember, handling email logs can be an essential part of your Salesforce administration toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check back for more tutorials and tips.